Alright guys, here we go again. UFO sightings, excellent footage. Take a look at this thing. During a blizzard, during a snowstorm over here. This particular footage is coming to us from Wisconsin. We just don't have an exact date on it, but look at this thing. I mean, excellent footage over here. It's just hovering over the sky. Excellent footage. Look at the snow coming down. Once again, we do believe this is in Wisconsin. We just don't have an exact date for you. That's the part that's killing us. But the location has been identified for sure. It was in the outskirts of Madison. If you guys have any information on this UFO, leave it down in the comments below. It would be greatly appreciated. But here's the footage. Obviously, it's garbage night. You can see a garbage truck down there. This is crazy footage, guys. Excellent. Weather drone, possibly. Give us your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. And we will talk to you soon.